You have the current song that you were warming up with, Closer to the Sky, so I assume you're going to play that for us. Is there anything you can tell us a little bit about the song before we get into it, or anything you want to tell us about the song?
Not really, to be honest. It's written in England.
There you go.
It takes place in England, or you wrote it in England?
Kind of takes place in England. It's about somebody with really big pupils.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
The old story of the Brit with huge pupils.
You've heard it a billion times.
Yeah.
Man or woman with big pupils?
I don't know, man.
It's probably more politically correct to just remain gender fluid.
Yeah. What's with all the
I
questions?
guess so.
All right, well, hang on.
I'm not sure.
Do you sometimes write a song and not really even know, what it's all about? Because sometimes we as fans of bands read deeply into some songs, and then you kind of find out that it was just a thing we did, I mean, even the Beatles have loads of songs that were just, we just kind of made it, and everybody takes these really deep meanings from it,
Sometimes you just catch a wave and it kind of writes itself.
Well, let's get the song about the big pupils, if you don't mind.
All right.
All right, so if you're just tuning in, Glorious Sons, and they're playing at Union Transfer tonight. This is Closer to the Sky on MMR.
Eyes wide open, people's like dimes. Mama's little boys on the ride of his life, and it's alright. Mind over body, body over mind. Really doesn't matter if you can't tell the stars from the street lights. Lying on your back by the sewer grate, kisses on your face from the neon rain, and there's no pain. Clench your jaw, tingle your spine, to the moon jacket. We got time, it's alright. It's alright. Come a little closer to the sky. It's better than wondering why. It's better than breaking. We're on your side. Everything you hear is a lie. And everyone's running out of time. It's better than waiting. We're on your side. Come a little closer to the sky. Leave downtown before you get slaughtered. Bonfire shining on the black water. It's alright. It's alright. Sand on your feet, wind in your hair. You're a silhouette in the summer air. You're so light. You're so light. At the edge of the lake, at the edge of the night, she's looking at you with dangerous eyes and a half smile. Give her a kiss and she bites your lip. You say I love you, she says you're full of shit, but she's so right. Come a little closer to the sky. It's better than wondering why. It's better than breaking. We're on your side. Everything you hear is a lie. And everyone's running out of time. It's better than waiting. We're on your side. Come a little closer to the sky. Come a little closer. Down here, everyone with a plan is on something. And everyone falling in love is lonely. It's alright. Come a little closer to the sky. It's better than wondering why. It's better than breaking. We're on your side. Everything you hear is a lie. And everyone's running out of time. It's better than waiting. We're on your side. Come a little closer to the sky. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. Come a little closer.
Yes. Glorious Sons on 93.3 WMMR. I had nothing but big pupils in my head the whole time.
That's it, yeah.